Okay, boys and girls, so today's math lesson is all about ways to show numbers. Now, when I think of a number, I'm thinking of 1, 3, 2, 9, 8, all the numbers that I could possibly show. So, I don't know, let's think of a random number that I could try to show all the different ways that it could look like. What about the number 6? If I do the number 6, let's write it nicely. We are in elementary school. We are working on writing our numbers correctly. So if I show the number 6 in lots of different ways, I'm thinking that I could show it as a math problem. I'm thinking that I know that 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And that is a name that I could give 6. 5 plus 1. It is 6. It's just another name. It's kind of like how my name is Miss Graham to you guys, but my husband, my mother, they all call me Becky. Same with my friends. Or I'm thinking about how my mother has another name for me. When I get in trouble, she doesn't call me Becky. She says Rebecca Faye. Oh, and I've got another name right there. And then I think of my nieces. They don't know me as Becky or Rebecca Faye or even Miss Graham. They know me as Aunt Becky. And my dogs call me mom in dog language. I'm their human mom. So when I think about a human can have lots of names. Well, so can numbers. Numbers have lots of different ways that you can describe them, show them, names that you can call them. And 5 plus 1 is just another way of saying 6. Another way of saying 6. Ooh, have you used base 10 blocks before? You know, those little blocks. I could use 6 base 10 blocks. And that is another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another way that I can show the number 6. Ooh, what about money? How do I show the number 6 with money? I can think of two ways. What if I used a penny? And are you thinking of a nickel? A penny and a nickel. When I put those two things together, I get 5 plus 1, and I get 6. Well, but maybe I didn't know anything about nickels, but I did know about pennies. I could do 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 pennies. 6 pennies is the number 6. Wow. Ooh, what if I'm really good at subtraction already? What if I already know that 7 minus 1 is 6? 7 minus 1 is 6. It's another way of saying 6. Oh, what about dice? When I think about a dice, you know that side of a dice? It's got 6. It shows it with dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a way that I can show 6. Oh, what about a clock? Oh my goodness, a clock. A clock has 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12 again. And when any of the hands, well, the small hand, the hour hand, when it points at 6, it means 6 o'clock. And I can write that at 6 o'clock. I know 6 o'clock because it's when I typically eat dinner. Let's think. How else could I show the number 6? Oh, I know another one. That's an addition problem. 3 plus 3. It's another math problem that shows 6. There are so many ways. I could show 6 tally marks. You remember tally marks from kindergarten? 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the door on 5. And 6. 6 tally marks. That's another way that I can show the number 6. So when I'm thinking about ways to show a number, I want you to try it now. But I don't want you to use the number 6 because I already used it. You can come back and look at this video though if you want help trying to create this number, but I need you to go get a piece of paper, any piece of paper. It could be a piece of notebook paper that you tear out. It could be a blank piece of computer paper. It could be construction paper. It could even be a whiteboard. Maybe you're using a whiteboard and dry erase marker that came with your school supplies. Here's your number. Are you ready? I want you to show the number. Let me see. How can I show that to you? Sorry about that. I had to walk away and go get myself a sticky note. Here's the number I want you to show. I want you to show the number 3. How will you show the number 3? How many ways can you show the number 3? Are you going to use addition problems, subtraction problems, money, base 10 blocks, dice, clocks, tallies? What are you going to do to show the number 3? Okay, that's your challenge. Then I'm going to have you show it in a discussion response on the next page. Okay, have fun, guys.